Lemon blueberry muffins, let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 cups of flour. Into that, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, and then we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're going to go ahead and just whisk it all together until it's evenly incorporated. And then we're going to make 3 wells. So we want like a little well and then like 2 kind of big wells. So in the little well, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then in one of the other wells, we're going to add a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And, look, we're going to have a little spillage. That's fine. Shit happens. Life goes on. In the other well, we're going to do 2 lemons, juiced and zested, but we're going to save just a little bit to use towards the end to make a little icing. And then on top, we're going to add a cup of water, pour it all over, and whisk it up until it's all mixed together. Pour it into a greased muffin tin. Then we're going to take some blueberries, and we're going to pop them in there and just like bloop them down a little bit with your finger, the back of a spoon, because if we put them in the batter, they're going to sink to the bottom. That's not what you want. Bake them in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then when they come out, you're going to let them sit, pop them out, and then the rest of the lemon juice, add some powdered sugar to it, mix it all together until you have an icing-like consistency. And then we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag, cut off the tip, see? Okay, look at me go. And then we're just going to, we're just going to ice them up. Just do a little beep, beep, bop, beep, 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 boop, boop. You see me? Beep, beep, bop, boop, beep, boop, beep, beep. And there you have it. And they're vegan. And voila. And I hope you enjoy.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.